Dude Perfect. Initially a team of 5 friends with a passion for combining sports and physics, Dude Perfect has gone on to become one of the biggest names in modern entertainment, sitting on a truly unimaginable 53 million plus subscribers, along with multiple network TV shows and several other side projects. After becoming the symbol of trick shots and sports world records the internet is so infatuated with, Dude Perfect's audience currently outnumbers that of the NBA, MLB, and NFL combined. So with an audience the size of several nations, it's not hard to imagine that their income flows from a huge number of sources, making it hard to track as a whole. But just taking a look at some of the ways the Dude Perfect team has expanded their business, it's clear to see that 53 million subs rakes in some serious cash flow. With their average 8 million daily views, the Dude Perfect channel nets at least $14.22 million a year, which means each of the 5 founding members is netting the average American salary just about every week. Who knows what they'll be putting that money towards next, but if their past is any indicator, we can be confident they'll keep shooting for the moon and beyond. Dan TDM. Minecraft is one of the biggest games on the planet, being the most watched game on YouTube in 2019 and being sold to Microsoft for $2.5 billion. Now the question is, who's getting all those sweet views that put Minecraft at the top of the YouTube most watched list? Well, chief among the thousands of Minecraft Let's Players is Dan TDM, the UK-based YouTuber who set the Guinness World Record for most views on a dedicated Minecraft channel with 7.9 billion at the time of the record, which has since been absolutely smashed, currently standing at over 17 billion at the time of this recording. Of course, that number climbs every single day and will likely only increase as Minecraft isn't showing any signs of slowing. But by just how many views is Dan breaking his own world record on the daily? Well, on average, Dan's channel gains 6.5 million views every single day, which makes Dan not just the biggest Minecraft YouTuber, but also arguably the richest, making at least $17,000 a day or a whopping $6.1 million a year. And that's just from the views on his channel. Add to that his merch lines, brand deals, and live shows, and Dan TDM has mined some serious diamonds. Jelly. A YouTuber made famous from his beloved video game Let's Plays of popular titles like GTA and the smash hit Fortnite, Jelly's excitable, relatable personality and love for gaming rocketed him to be a YouTube phenomenon, with almost 20 million subscribers and climbing. Through his popularity since starting his channel in 2014, Jelly scored a lucrative sponsorship deal with G Fuel, the gaming energy drink famously associated with PewDiePie himself, and to be signing the biggest YouTuber on the platform, you know this company isn't offering small potatoes to the gamers it signs. Of course, sponsorship numbers are kept private, so while we can't know exactly what Jelly is raking in from his entire career, a recent estimate placed his net worth around $25 million. But with our secret knowledge of the algorithm, let's see just how accurate those numbers really are. With the constant flow of gaming videos on Jelly's channel, he reliably gets about 10 million views a day, which adds up to, on the low end, about $18 million annually from ads alone. Markiplier. It's easy to forget how huge Markiplier's influence really is with his relatable and comfy feeling small-scale gaming and subreddit reviewing content. Nonetheless, Mark Fishbach is one of the most influential YouTubers, not just in the gaming sphere he came up through, but on the entire platform. And with a nickname like Red PewDiePie, you know he's gonna be making some PewDiePie-esque gains. Aside from the likely hundreds of thousands of dollars channels as big as Mark's are assumed to earn per sponsored video, Markiplier launched a high-end clothing company called Cloak, alongside fellow gaming YouTuber Jacksepticeye, a brand targeted at, you guessed it, gamers. With over 51 million subscribers between them, 27 million of which are on Markiplier's channel, Cloak has definitely got a huge amount of gamers copying their products. But we're here to see what kind of money a 27 million subscriber YouTube channel makes. So, with an average of 6.4 million daily views, a conservative estimate is an annual income of nearly $12 million. Not bad, for only being Red PewDiePie, that is.